Too cool. See that? Now watch come back. I see him come back. Watch him. He's come back now for another stone. Okay, Treacle. Come back. Come on. Another one. Here he is. Come back. There's that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Watch this. There it is. Let's caught that one. He'll come back now. Okay, Treacle, got another one. Okay. Ouch. Oh. One here, look. See that? See that? Yeah. Watch it bite, watch it bite, watch it bite. Watch it. You see that? Come on, Treacle. Another one. Come on. Oh, he's confused there. You don't eat that, you silly sod. Come on. Another one. Come on. Come on. You come another one. Yeah, there you go. Where did that go, eh? You've lost it. Oh, hey, oh, you come back. Okay, you want another one? You ready? Ready, Treacle? Not here. Not ready, Treacle? Now watch him come back. That's a boy. There we go. Another one. Wish we were going to go this time, eh? Oh, no, 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 no. Now he's going to come back. There he is. Another one. Treacle. Right. You're weighing me out, Treacle. You know that. The eyes. He'll come back one more time and he's will warm me out. Yeah, I've had enough. Oh, put it after me now. Sorry, Treacle. There's no more. There's no more. Another one. You want another stone? Okay, we'll get that one then. Yeah, yeah. You're coming back for another one. Hit like a dog. I've had enough, Treacle. I'm going in. Coming after me. Hey, Treacle. You are a little bugger. You still want another stone? Okay. Treacle. There you go. Yeah, there. Now I'll come back now. Another one. Hope he's had enough. He's worn me out. He's had enough. See you. Bye. Tell lies here. He's come back. Treacle, what are you doing? You're weighing me out, you know. Oh. Okay, one more. You wore me out. You have. Ready? And I'm going in, he'll follow me. Oh, peace. I think he's left me alone. No, no, he's here. Treacle, you're following me. You little bugger you are. Oh, you little bugger. Oh, you little bugger you. You are clever. You're really loyal, aren't you? And if I come down there, you'll follow me, won't you? Eh? You. Oh, I'm going in now. I've had enough.